Hey guys, welcome back to another video here with Twisted Steel. In this video we're going to be talking about what is welding, and we're also going to be discussing the 4 processes that we're going to be using on this channel. Stay tuned with us, and hit subscribe if you really are following along with us and would like to see more of these videos. First we're going to talk about what welding is. Welding is defined as an operation whereby 2 or more parts are united by means of heat or pressure, or both of these combined. The 4 processes we're going to be discussing in this video are shielded metal arc welding, gas metal arc welding, flux core arc welding, and gas tungsten arc welding. Some nicknames that are used for these processes are stick, MIG, metal inert gas, and TIG. First we're going to start by discussing the shielded metal arc welding process. Shielded metal arc welding is a welding process in which the welding heat is produced by an electric arc formed between the work surface and a solid consumable covered electrode. During the welding process, the decomposition of the electrode covering forms a shield of gas and slag around the molten metal on the work surface. The electrode also provides filler metal to the weld pool. So in simpler terms, this means that there is a flux covered metal electrode that when it's burned down, from the electrical arc that is formed between the electrode and the base metal, it forms a weld that is covered and protected by this layer of slag that is formed from the flux that is burned down from the heat of the electrical arc. The slag serves as a protection for the weld against the atmosphere. Next, we're going to be discussing the gas metal arc welding process, or MIG process. Gas metal arc welding is a welding process where the arc is maintained between an automatically fed consumable wire electrode and the workpiece. This process provides the additional filler automatically. This process uses an inert gas to protect the molten metal from the atmosphere instead of a flux turned slag coating. The next welding process we're going to discuss in this video is the flux core arc welding process. Flux core arc welding utilizes a continuous electrode wire that contains a granular flux within its hollow core. Additional shielding is often provided by a small flow of CO2 around the arc zone. This is done so often it is considered to be a variation of gas metal arc welding. But there are self-shielded flux cored electrode wire that does not need a shielding or inert gas. The last welding process we're discussing in this video is the gas tungsten arc welding process. In the gas tungsten arc welding process, the arc is struck between the tungsten electrode in your torch and the workpiece, creating the weld puddle, the area around the arc where molten metal is located, and the heat from the arc keeps the puddle molten. An inert gas is used in this process to protect the tungsten electrode and the molten filler material from the atmosphere. A separate filler rod is used in this process for better control of both heat and fill rate. That's all for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching all the way through. If you made it this far, let me know in the comments section below what's your favorite welding process. We'll give you a shout out in our next video. Thank you so much, and we'll see you guys next time on Twisted Steel.